All right, so we got the p-14 Primark, and I got to replace the tags on this thing. So first off, you have to remove about that many tags, and it goes in like this. So the tags are coming from the bottom, and then you just have to fish this through. And it is difficult to do that by hand. So what I do is I use a pin. I grab a pin, and you just try to just push that through. See? Wow, how easy was that? And then you, as soon as you have enough out the other side, you close it, pull out the blank tags to the point, and if you go too far, it's okay. You just don't want to have any tags on this part. See how I just put a little bit of pressure? Just a little bit, it doesn't take much. And then there's also a tag probably stuck inside of this thing because of the way that that is going. And you can actually get that tag out. It would normally be right down inside of there, but we don't have one. It fell out somewhere, so just click it, and that's it.